Now students, open page number 62. Unit 4. There is a story, Storm in the Garden. In the last video you have seen that I have read this story. Now I am going to explain this story. The name of the story is Storm in the Garden. Do you know what is meant by storm? Storm means rain. Rain is going to come. Wind comes. Before rain, wind comes. And if that wind is very heavy, it is called storm. In Marathi we say खूप मोठा वारा वादळ सुटतं. That is called storm. Storm in the garden. So now we are going to see how that storm came in this garden. Before that they have said that about that place they have said Sunu Sunu, the snail is playing with his friends, the ants. Suddenly there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tells her all he saw and heard. Now they are telling that what is there in that story. There is a snail in the story. There is a snail. Can you see snail? That snail's name is Sunu Sunu. Name of this snail is Sunu Sunu. Sunu Sunu, the snail is playing with his friends, the ants. Who are the friends of this Sunu Sunu? Ants are the friends of this Sunu Sunu. And this snail, by name Sunu Sunu, she is playing with her friends, with his friends. Suddenly what happens? The storm came. Suddenly there is a storm. He hurriedly, that snail goes to her mother and tells her about this storm. Whatever she saw in this garden, whatever sound that snail heard, that snail is going to tell her his mother. Sunu Sunu, the snail, was visiting his friends, the ants. In the garden, ants are playing, and Sunu Sunu also comes to play with his friends. Who are his friends? Who are the friends of this Sunu Sunu? Ants. Little ants. Here you can see the ants. These ants are the friends of this Sunu Sunu snail. That snail came to visit her his friends. They climbed all over him. You can see snail is bigger. And these ants are very small. So these ants are climbing all over him. They are playing by climbing on snail's body. He. They are making laughing sound. That is called he. They climbed under him. These ants, they climbed over snail and under also. Under means downside of that snail also they are going, coming, climbing, and they are playing in this way. And they are making the sound of laughing. That is called he. Suddenly what happens? Suddenly great white light crashed through the clouds. Suddenly what happened? In the clouds, suddenly great white light, white color's light crashed in the cloud. That is called lightning. In Marathi we say वीज चमकणे. That is. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his hair. Because of that flashing, Sunu Sunu is very scared. And Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his hair. Do you know? Have you seen snail? Snail can take his hair in his. Sunu Sunu quickly pulled in his head. That snail can take its head and tail under the body. Pulled in his tail. And sat very still. That Sunu Sunu took her head and tail in the body and sat quietly, very quietly sitting. Now see the next page. What happens? Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Outside, now the weather is changing. The clouds has grew dark. Now the clouds have become dark. Have you seen? When rain is going to come, the cloud becomes dark because they are full of water. That is why they are looking dark. Now the clouds are very dark and the crows flew past. And the crows are also going to their homes. Ka, ka, ka. Who is making this sound? Crows. Crows are making this sound. Ka, ka, ka. While flying, they are making this sound. Oh, but where were the ants? But where were the ants? Just now we have seen this snail. This Sunu Sunu was playing with his friends. They are ants. He was playing with his friends. They are ants. Oh, but where were the ants? Sunu Sunu has sitting still quietly. But where are the ants? Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers. Have you seen feelers of this Sunu Sunu? These are the feelers of this Sunu Sunu snail. Sunu Sunu stuck out his feelers and looked for them. Now Sunu Sunu is looking for his friend. Now she is searching by taking out that feelers. He is searching his friends. Who are they? Ants. Ants are the friends of Sunu Sunu. They were hiding under a flower pot. In the garden there is a flower pot and these ants are hiding under that flower pot. Under the flower pot, ants are hiding. Go home, Sunu Sunu. The ants cried out. The ants are saying loudly, Sunu Sunu, go home. Hurry, hurry. Your mother will worry. These ants are telling, go hurriedly, hurriedly, go fast to your home because your mother will care for you. Your mother will be worried. Sunu Sunu went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the way. Now Sunu Sunu went to his mother because now storm is there. They have seen that storm is coming and lightning is there in the sky and they are very scared. So Sunu Sunu went to his mother. Where was mother sitting? Mother was sitting under a stone near the well. In the garden there was a well and near that well there was a stone. And under that stone, mother of Sunu Sunu snail was sitting. And this Sunu Sunu also went to his mother where she was sitting. Amma, said Sunu Sunu, there is a storm in the garden. Now who is saying this? Sunu Sunu. Sunu Sunu is telling everything to his mother. Sunu Sunu said, Amma, said Sunu Sunu, Amma, there is a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh. Sunu Sunu is telling mother that I heard the sound of wind. The wind is blowing, blowing and blowing and the sound is making of, the sound of this wind is like this sound is coming off this wind. I saw trees. Now Sunu Sunu is telling that I saw trees sway, 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 shy, 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 shy. Trees are also making different kind of sound. Have you seen? Before coming rain, trees are moving and making different kind of sound. Have you seen that? Have you heard that sound? If not, then please hear. I saw lightning. I saw lightning. Flash, flash, flash. Chak, 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 chak. This is the chak, chak, chak is the sound of lightning. Shy, shy, shy. This is the sound of trees. And ooh, this is the sound of wind. Now see, here you can see these ants are hiding under the flower pot. This is Sunu Sunu. Sunu Sunu is going to his mother. Now see page number 64. I heard thunder. I heard thunder. When two clouds are making sound, that is called thunder. Roll, roll, roll. Gadam gudum, gadam gudum. This is the sound of thunder. Sound of thunder is called gadam gudum, gadam gudum. I heard rainfall. Fall, fall, fall. I heard that Sunu Sunu is telling. I heard rainfall. Sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta, sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta. This is the sound of raindrops. I heard water drip, 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 plip, plip, plip. Water drops are making sound plip, plip, plip. It was the biggest storm. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Sunu Sunu is very small, so this is the first rainy season of this Sunu Sunu. So before that, this Sunu Sunu had not heard like this sound, or this Sunu Sunu has not seen like this storm. This is the first time Sunu Sunu is hearing these kinds of sounds, and Sunu Sunu is seeing this storm. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Ooh, 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 shai, shai, chap, chap, gadam, gudum. Sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta, sitta, sitta, pitta, pitta, plip, 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 plip. All these kinds of sounds are made in the storm. And do you know what? Sunu Sunu did not get wet. Do you know why? Like the storm came, heavy rain came in the garden, then too, the Sunu Sunu is not wet. Sunu Sunu is dry. Why? Why this Sunu Sunu is dry? Do you know why? Because of this shell. Do you know there is a shell on the back of snails? So when rain is coming, or any when they are scared, they take their head and tail in that shell. So they are, with the help of this shell, they can protect themselves. So because of this shell, Sunu Sunu is dry. It is not wet. So this story is written by Sandhya Rao.